Hey everybody, my name is John Stovall. Welcome to MarineMax Lake Lanier. You join me today on a beautiful sunny day, but we are on a 2025 Sylvan X1. This is a great layout. This is probably our most popular layout. This is a CLZ or single swingback. Starting at the front, you have a U-shaped seating lounge up here with your table mount already in place. These seats are double hinge as well, so if you sit on them, they don't just fall forward and dump you while you're in there. Those boxes are also sealed, so anything that is in those boxes, if you start washing the boat, it's going to stay dry. Cup holders built in there that are recessed, cup holders on the helm, cup holders on the table, cup holders just about everywhere. Moving to the helm, you have a Humminbird Helix 5 fish finder GPS chart plotter, all built into one. All your switches, all your gauges, wet sound stereo, and a phone holder built in, as well as courtesy lights and the controls for the power bimini top. Moving left, we have a cool hidden feature here with a changing station. This thing folds out nice and neat. So if you wanted to put a porta potty or something like that, you absolutely could. Folds away nice and neat. And away she goes. Storage in the helm, 2 captain's chairs, and the big piece of the boat, the swingback lounger with storage on the backside with all your batteries and charger. Another feature that I really like about Sylvan is they put a nice storage box in the walkthrough. This is typically wasted space, but now you have a great place to put your cover, fenders, pool noodles, big items like that. The CLZ also comes with the wraparound stainless around here to keep furry ones and little ones in the boat. And this also has the optional extended swim deck as well, powered by a Mercury 150 4-stroke. Thanks for joining us today. If you have any more information you'd like to see, please visit us at www.marinemax.com.